Hi guys! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys, this is really exciting stuff. I have so much planned for the future. I don't even want to give things away too much because it's such a surprise. But this has been about 4 years. It has been a lot of work, and we can always use a little bit of a push to help us find that inner serenity, that balanced life that we all really want. What to look for? I mean, when you get out there and you're looking for different mindfulness tools and meditation tools, there's a crazy world out there with so many different things to find. Okay, so I have this crystal in my hand. Now what? This is the place for you. I'm going to teach you from the very beginning what to do, what to look for, how to tell the difference between different crystals, how to pick the right one, chakras, meditation, mindfulness. We're gonna have a blast. Okie dokie. I swear to God, this is harder than it looks. You ever run into that person with a magnetic personality? They seem to have it all together. They're smiling, they're happy, and they seem to be able to handle pretty much whatever comes their way in life. And you wonder to yourself, like, are they for real? Okay, well, we're gonna cut through a bunch of the crap right here on this channel. If you stick with me here, we're gonna get to the truth of things, and we're gonna break things down in easy, manageable steps on how you can live a more balanced life with intention and nourish your spirit. Who doesn't want their spirit nourished? I mean, what you can expect on this channel is gonna be a lot of mistakes, okay? If we're really talking about me. I'm a professional mistake maker. Like, I make them all the time. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I will see you in my next video.